Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm so excited to break down some massive news in the AI world. TSMC, the powerhouse behind so many of the chips driving the AI revolution, has absolutely crushed its earnings expectations. We're talking record profits, fueled by the incredible surge in demand for AI chips. Their latest quarterly revenue and profit figures have blown analysts' predictions out of the water. This incredible performance is a testament to TSMC's leading position in the semiconductor industry, and it signals a powerful wave of growth in the AI sector. We'll dig deeper into these numbers and what they mean for the future of AI. Let's talk about what's driving this phenomenal growth. The insane demand for AI chips. The hunger for more powerful processors to run complex AI models is insatiable. Everything from large language models like ChatGPT to cutting-edge applications in 5G and beyond is contributing to this surge. TSMC's high-performance computing division, which includes AI and 5G, is the engine behind this growth, making up a significant portion of their revenue. Experts are saying this demand is not a fleeting trend, but a fundamental shift in the tech landscape. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era where AI is woven into the fabric of our lives, and TSMC is at the forefront, enabling this transformation. One of the most crucial partnerships driving TSMC's success is its collaboration with Nvidia, the undisputed king of AI GPUs. TSMC manufactures Nvidia's advanced processors, and the surge in demand for Nvidia's products is directly benefiting TSMC. This symbiotic relationship is a powerful force in the AI ecosystem. Nvidia's latest earnings reports also show tremendous growth, and they're projecting even more demand for their AI chips in the coming quarters, which spells great news for TSMC. This partnership is a win-win, and it's a clear indication of the interconnectedness of the AI hardware and software worlds. While Nvidia is a major contributor, TSMC's success isn't solely reliant on AI. Their partnership with Apple, the tech giant behind the iPhone, also plays a significant role. Demand for the advanced chips in Apple's latest iPhone 16 is also bolstering TSMC's revenue. This diversification across different market segments provides a layer of stability and resilience for TSMC. It also highlights the company's ability to cater to a broad range of clients and applications, further solidifying its position as the leading chip manufacturer. TSMC's outstanding performance is having a ripple effect throughout the stock market. Shares of TSMC have soared to record highs, exceeding $1 trillion market valuation. The company's success has lifted other chip stocks, including industry giants like ASML and ASM International, demonstrating the positive sentiment surrounding the semiconductor sector. This momentum is a clear sign of investor confidence in the future of AI and the companies driving its growth. If you're interested in investing in the tech sector, TSMC and its partners are definitely worth keeping an eye on. Looking ahead, TSMC's leadership is exceptionally optimistic about the future. They're forecasting continued strong growth driven by the ever-expanding AI market. TSMC's CEO C.C. Wei has described the AI demand as insane and real. They plan to increase capital expenditure to ramp up production and meet this demand. Their focus on developing cutting-edge technologies like 2-nanometer chips positions them to continue their dominance in the industry. While there are potential headwinds like U.S.-China trade relations and Donald Trump's trade policies, analysts remain bullish on TSMC's prospects, predicting significant revenue growth in the coming years. The future looks bright for TSMC, and its continued success will undoubtedly shape the trajectory of the AI revolution. Now, while TSMC is the dominant player, they're not without competition. Samsung is a notable competitor, but TSMC's market share dwarfs that of Samsung Foundry. TSMC's technological advancements and strong partnerships give them a significant edge. Their consistent investment in research and development and their ability to deliver cutting-edge chips at scale solidify their leading position in the industry. This competitive landscape is dynamic, but TSMC's track record and strategic vision position them well for continued success. We can't talk about TSMC without acknowledging the geopolitical complexities that affect the semiconductor industry. The ongoing U.S.-China trade war and potential trade restrictions imposed by the incoming Trump administration create uncertainty. These political factors could impact TSMC's business, particularly concerning its operations in China. However, TSMC's global reach and diverse customer base provide some buffer against these challenges. It's a situation that requires careful monitoring, as political developments could influence the company's future performance. So, what's the takeaway for investors? Many analysts recommend TSMC stock as a core holding for those looking to invest in the semiconductor space. The company's robust revenue growth, driven by its technological advancements and strong partnerships, makes it an attractive investment opportunity. While there are risks associated with any investment, TSMC's leadership in the industry and the explosive growth of the AI market position it for continued success. Of course, do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. TSMC's relentless focus on innovation is crucial to understanding its success. Their development of smaller, more powerful chips like the upcoming 2nm chips is a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. These advancements enable faster processing speeds, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced performance for a wider range of applications. This drive for innovation is a key differentiator for TSMC, setting them apart from competitors and ensuring their continued relevance in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. I'd love to hear your thoughts on TSMC's incredible performance, their partnerships with Nvidia and Apple, and the future of the AI chip market. Drop your comments and questions below, and let's discuss. And as always, thanks for tuning in to All About AI Tech. Please like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in AI and technology. I genuinely appreciate your support. Until next time, keep innovating.